Now that we've recorded our data for the germination test, we can go into D2L and plug it into the monitoring form. So just going to navigate there and fill in the header information. This is a repeat to what was delivered in lab, but just in case anyone needs a reminder, it's in the week 2 lab folder and it's called germination test monitoring form. You're going to open that up. You're going to scroll down to the bottom and hit download, and that will open up a usable document for you. And once it loads, you're going to open it, click enable editing, fill in your header information. So your name goes here. Our crop code is PW. Seed zone, this information is coming from the seed requisition form on D2L in the week 2 lab folder. So our seed zone is 31. Our seed lot number is 6107. We don't need all of the zeros that come before that. Our seed year is 2008. Our expected total germination is 93.25%. over 24 days, and our germinative energy is 68.75% over 15 days. This information is important because we want to compare our information to that. So I'm plugging in data here that was collected at the greenhouse, and our start date for that project was January 20th. Then we have 2 pieces or 2 days worth of data to enter. So our first one was collected on January 26th. So the number of days since we started is 6. And on that day we had 5 new stratified germinants and 0 new non-stratified. Then we collected data again on January 27th. You won't necessarily have to collect data this often, but at that point, it was 7 days since the start of the experiment, so that goes in number of days. Our number of new stratified germinants was 3, and this is going to add the cumulative total for you, so you don't have to put that in. We still had 0 non-stratified germinants, but we did have 1 moldy, so that's going to go here. Okay, so that's all of the information we have so far. We cannot yet answer the questions because we need to wait until the experiment is over. But it's quick to keep a tally on this stuff, so you can either collect the data and enter it into this form as you go, or just collect it on paper or a separate Excel spreadsheet and plug it all in at the same time.